Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. My brother Edison is showing off his new Aroma Houseware digital cooker. This thing is a rice and grain cooker, a food steamer, it's stainless steel, and it has a capacity of 8 cooked cups. So let's go ahead, check it out, and we're going to kick it off right about now. So first off, I love the fact that this thing can cook a variety of types of rice with presets, whether that's white rice or brown rice. You've got a keep warm mode, a steam mode, a flash rice, and of course a delay timer to where you can kick this thing off, have it start when you get home from work or when you're on your way home from work. This is great for chili, rice, soups. Maybe you want to steam some broccoli or some asparagus. I had some great asparagus last night out of my aroma steamer. And if you want to make chili or chicken noodle soup, this thing is the cat's meow. It's the bee's knees. Now you can cook 4 cups of uncooked rice, which turns into 8 cups of cooked rice. The dimensions are 9¼ inches by 8 5/8. And this is a really high quality product. I love the fact that it doesn't show fingerprints very easily. It's easy to cook white or brown rice, to steam, keep warm, or to use the timer. Sometimes some equipment is just too complex, but this is simple and versatile. And if you're looking for a simple rice cooker that doesn't require you to install an app to use, well, this is the one for you. And it's the one for me. All right. So, what else is fantastic about it? It uses a bonded granite non-stick inner pot with 5 layers for ultra-durable non-stick rice cooking. It's toxin-free, reinforced in non-stick, and of course, it's dishwasher safe, and that new design lasts 8 times longer than some of your previous designs. There's so much you can do with this rice cooker, whether it's hearty beef stew, steamed meals like chicken and vegetables, or even perfect rice pilaf. I personally like making jambalaya, a little bit of shrimp, cooked chicken, rice, chicken broth, maybe some chilies, and some Creole seasoning, and you've got a great jambalaya that is next level. All right, folks, it's easy to use with the 4 preset buttons, easy to keep products warm, keep your food warm, and steaming is a great way to get a nutritious meal. Forget the deep fryer, steam some rice, some vegetables, some chicken. You can have up to a 15-hour delay. The programmable delay timer is great for families on the go. You can set this 15 hours in advance and just have it come on when you need it. It's also ultra safe. You don't have to worry about it tipping over and causing issues. So whether you're making soups, jambalaya, chili, rice, or more, this is going to make it simple for you and fun for the family. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we love, and this thing will cook just about any grain. It's great for meal prep. I think you're going to love it. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and, well, adios, my very good friends and amigos. Bye-bye.